Kuwona wonke amalungelo anawo umqashi elokuxosha umsebenzi amsebenzelayo lingelinye lamalungelo anawo, considering that he has followed the right process prior to the dismissal of that worker. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngemithetho noma ama-processes okumele awalandele umqashi ngaphambi kokuthi ke dismise umsebenzi. Kubalulekile ukuthi ke wonke umsebenzi azi ukuthi i-reason for i-dismissal noma ukuthi umqashi terminate i-employment yakhe, it is not enough. It has to be a process to be followed so that that dismissal will be considered a fair dismissal. Other than that, a reason alone is not enough. So namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi ke nihlale nami up until towards the end of this video. Niqinisekise ukuthi the next time you are being charged to be dismissed, you know that you have to observe ukuthi ke umqashi uyilandelile yini imithetho nama processes okumele awalandele ukuze athi you are dismissed. So stay tuned. We are coming back right now. Okay, ngiphinde nginibingelele. I would like to properly introduce myself. My name is Thulasizwe Nkabinde. I'm one of the active and acting member under Umkhonto Wabasebenzi, the Spear of Workers. Umkhonto Wabasebenzi was formed because of the pain that employees have gone through because of their rights that are being violated at work. So sikhona nje thina kungenxa yokuthi ke sifuna uqinisekisa ukuthi sibuyisa ubulungiswa endaweni zokusebenza, silekelele ama-employees ngolwazi adinga ukuthi alwazi ngamalungelo wawo. Anyway, I am not a lawyer. I am just a fellow colleague, a fellow employee who is trying to look out for their fellow employees so that going forward we know that we have rights that are protecting us by the law from the Constitution of South Africa, which is the superior law that no law can challenge the Constitution of South Africa. So we mustn't take it for granted. This right, it is a very big privilege for us. If we know about it and we know how to exercise it, no one will ever be exploited by any employer in a workplace. I-relationship yethu nama-employers wethu izoqonda sihloniphane, kungabi bikho ukubukelana phansi, yonke into yenziwe ngendlela. So namhlanje I am here to equip you with those information so that when you are working, wherever you are working, you must be comfortable. Do not fear anything. Do not be intimidated by anything. No matter how much you think your employer is powerful, he has a lot of money, you think he can make everything disappear. Not this law. This law is superior law and everyone must answer to it. So namhlanje, I want to bring the hope, I want to bring the confidence back. Know that you are being recognized by the law and you have to use it into your advantage. From today, make sure you subscribe to our channel, you follow us on TikTok, you follow us on Facebook. On the screen we have our handles to YouTube. You can follow KQ's media channel On Facebook, it's where we are posting our videos with this similar information, which will help you. If it doesn't help you today, it may help you tomorrow. Okay, on TikTok, at the Spear of Workers. Yes, then on Facebook, just search Singumkhondo Wabasebenzi. Then please make sure you engage, you ask questions, so that whenever we bring more videos, we are going according to the demand of the information that you need. Okay, sibonge kakhulu. Sizoqhubeka sithi go forward to the subject of today. Okay, never forget the dismissal formula. Prior to the dismissal is being issued, there must be a formula the employer has to apply, and that formula consists of a number of processes, which means kumele uqinisekise ukuthi uemployer uyawalandela onke, because uma ingawalandelanga, that will be considered that dismissal is unfair. Okay, because whatever I am teaching here, it is not my opinion. Akuyona nje into mina engiyicabangelayo ukuthi kena that is my wishes. Of course, this law, you can find it on a good code of practice, Schedule 8. Okay, I will read it here on my computer. Okay, it is a Schedule 8 of Labor Relations Act, good code of practice for its dismissal, specific for its dismissal. You can Google yourself, just say Schedule 8 of Labor Relations Act, code of good practice for dismissal. Ungayithola uzifundele yona, or sizobe siku item number 4 for this subject of today. Subject number 4 utigena fair procedure, because fair procedure is the most important keyword for this video. Fair procedure prior to the dismissal. Uma kunguthi you are facing dismissal charges. Okay, there is no problem. Ngizoti ukuyifunda just so that I ensure you that this is coming from the law directly. Okay? Okay.
Schedule 8 of the Labor Relations Act, Code of Good Practice for Dismissal. Item number 4. Fair procedure. Normally, the employer should conduct an investigation to determine whether there are grounds for dismissal. This does not need to be formally inquiry. The employer should notify the employee of the allegations using a form and language that the employee can reasonably understand. The employee should be allowed the opportunity to state a case in response to the allegations. The employee should be entitled to reasonable time to prepare the response and to the assistance of a trade union representative or fellow employee. After the inquiry, the employer should communicate the decision taken and preferably furnish the employee with writing notification of that decision. Yes, I think yonke into is clear so far, but we are about to break down more of that statement so that wonke umsebenzi uya understand, because this is very important to understand. Okay. Le procedure, it is a formula which must be easy to memorize and to remember. Okay, it is F equals to R plus P. F is equals to